Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, Fed Day, June 17th, 2015. We're waiting on the Federal Reserve announcement at 2 p.m. today, but before that, let's just take a look. Take a look at 3D player SSYS, SSYS Limited. Take a look, up $1 on the day. All right, now, I love this stock. I'm in this stock with our research center members. We're in the money, well over $1 at this point from where we entered just a few days ago. But the point is, this stock is telling us that another stock should start to pick up some momentum and move higher. What stock is that? 3D Systems, DDD. Take a look. 3D is down 12 cents on the day right now, just off the lows of the day, holding double bottom right down here. Look at the fall it's had, just from $22 down to $20.50 here, just over the last few days. And this has all been going on while SSYS has actually been moving up. These stocks are notorious for trading in tandem. So it's very unusual to see this one moving up from $34 to $36.50, while DDD is actually moving to the downside. It tells me that there's a disparity, and ultimately, because these stocks are so oversold on their daily charts, take a look at the daily chart here. Look at this. I mean, isn't that an amazing chart, guys? I mean, down from really over $100 here, but I mean, even in the shorter term, just from last year, over the last 12 months, you're down from $65 to 20 bucks. But the point is, this stock should start to catch a bid. I don't know if it's going to be today. A lot will depend on what the Fed says and what the markets react to. But ultimately, if SSYS is starting to catch a bid and is heading higher, DDD is just a matter of time behind. All right, so again, you're hearing it here first. Heads up on 3D Systems, DDD, off of the SSYS. This is what we call a sympathy play. When two stocks, generally the same size companies in the same sector, one starts moving, the other one usually might lag, but at some point it'll play catch up. And that's what I'm looking for this to do here over the next, really the next week or two. I do expect this to head back up. Where should it head? Well, we're going to watch for it to move back into the 20 moving average. That was the kind of the pivot lows right here. The 20 MA is around 21.60, so that's $1 higher already. But once it starts to go, I actually think the momentum carries this thing higher, and I'm looking for a move here, guys. 50 MA gap fill at $24, 24 Pierce right there. That should be a target over a swing trade area, for instance. That would be multiple days to weeks outside of today. All right, and again, could reach that depending on when the momentum starts and if SSYS continues, also depending on what the markets do in the coming days. If in the next couple weeks markets trend higher, then I think this is a no-brainer. If markets are super weak, it's going to be a little harder, but still should perform decently. And if markets are neutral, it still should go up nicely and follow SSYS. All right, so that's what you have there, guys. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You want to see something crazy? Just take a look at our track record. Look at this, guys. Here's our website, InTheMoneyStocks.com. And again, all you got to do is go to where we give these trade alerts out. Research Center under Investor Trade Alerts. Click on that. And then you're going to see the page come up here. Scroll down, 7-day free trial. And then here's everything you get. This is where I give out our live trade alerts in the hot charts. And then right here, 7-day free trial or track record. Take a look at the track record. Look at the gain this year. I just read that there was a hedge fund manager in Italy that's up about 30% on the year. Look at that number. Even if you just put 10% of your account in each position we've given, you're up over 50% on the year. So again, I think the 30% is like the best of the best out there, and we're blowing that out of the water by another 20% gain on the year. Every trade here, it's third-party verified. Every trade is right here, the losers and the winners. Look at how many greens you have opposed to the reds, which are the losers, and look at the net gain. Unbelievable net gain here for the year of 2015. I'm literally going for the goal of 1,000% for the year, which would be 100% return in your portfolio if you just put 10% in on this. All right, guys, so check it out. Come take the 7-day free trial. Join up. There's also the options alerts right here. If you're more into options, you can take the options alerts. That's great, too. Awesome performance there as well. Take care, guys.